Hello everyone. Today we have with us Deepika Pawar, who has completed her internship at ISRO. So, in this video, she will be discussing about how she landed upon this opportunity, her internship experience, and the various insights. So, make sure you watch the video till end. And if you are new to our channel, make sure you subscribe to the channel, press on the notification bell icon so that you never miss any update for the upcoming video, and make sure you like and share this video. There is another to update for you. If you haven't yet applied for the Hack MIT Hackathon, you can apply for it. Link is given in the description below. Do check it out and apply for it. Second update is I'm coming live on YouTube on 18th of August at 9:30 p.m. So make sure you join that session where I will be talking about how you can apply, how you can find about different opportunities and internships and freelance work. So make sure you join the session. So let's get started and dive into video. So thanks for considering my invitation. It's been a great pleasure to have you here. Can you talk about or give an introduction about yourself?
Thank you, Akash, for having me here. It's my pleasure. And I'm Deepika Pawar. I'm currently pursuing my BTech ICT degree from Ahmedabad University, Gujarat. And talking about my area of interest, I'm interested in data science domain, which includes machine learning, data analysis, and many more.
So that's all. Thank you. So how did you apply for this internship?
Okay, so talking about the application process, I have come to know about this opportunity from one of my senior. So she told me that this is the opportunity, and you have to explore it on in its official website. Through which I got the application form. For the application form, I have to fill my basic details, and apart from that, I have to include my area of interest. So as this opportunity is for many kind of domains like physics, agricultural, and many more. So I have to include my specific area of interest. So in
Yeah.
which I have included that computer sorry machine learning based prediction and data exploration. This is how I fill up my application process and submit it to its official mail ID.
Okay. So, what was the selection procedure? What type of interviews were taken during selection? Can you talk a little about that?
Okay, as it is the research program for
Yeah.
many students, so they don't have any specific selection kind of process. They
Oh,
basically see the application form and the domain of the students, students, what is students' background. So based on that, if the student fits on their problem definition, so they select those students which are in the area of that domain only. So this is how they select.
okay. So, can you talk about the interview experience you had interning at ISRO?
There wasn't any interview kind of thing. They just select the trainees, and after selection process, they specifically ask the student for its his or her area of interest. If she wants to interested in their specific problem definition or not, and according to the time availability of the student, they assign the problem definition and any kind of research work.
So, how long this internship was last?
So this basically they quarterly select the students. They select in the month of January, April, July,
Hmm.
and October. So based on that 3 months of internship period, and if a student wants to continue for on the same research work, they allow students to work on. So
So,
I
if yeah, yeah.
yeah. So I basically did it for the 3 months period.
Okay. So, if anyone wants to apply for this internship, how one could apply for it?
Okay, there
Is
is the
there
official.
yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. So, official is there any official website or something like they carry out application process throughout the year or something?
Yeah, so there is the official website called Vedas. So in
Okay.
which the application form and every details is the mention, like how to fill up the form and where to submit and everything. So student can apply from.
Okay. So, what type of projects you have been working throughout the internship?
Okay, so basically, my area of interest is in machine learning domain. So they provide the problem definition to predict a variable. So that specific variable is about the ocean. So the whole thing is about the oceanography, in which in which I have to estimate the depth of the ocean based on some certain satellite parameters. So the data was given to me, and I have to predict the my outcome based on it. So this is all about. This is a brief overview about it, and yeah.
So, okay. So, the student should explore this kind of opportunity so for gaining exploration and for gaining experience in the research-based projects.
Yeah, yes, so this is very much helpful for these those students who are want to carry some research in the domain and want to publish any research paper or any kind of conference paper. So this whole training period will really helpful for the those kind of students.
Okay. So, what kind of opportunities were provided to you after completing the internship?
So after completing, they offer me to the another kind of internship, which is specifically for the final year student. So like I can resume my training period from the eighth semester onwards.
What kind of benefits do this program provide after interning you have gained through this internship, and what type of opportunities and exposure did this program provide you?
Okay, so throughout this program, like one mentor is assigned to each and every student. So because of this program, like we have benefit to work with a senior scientist of the ISRO and gain the knowledge from their experience and their learning. So this is a kind of fantastic benefit, and other kind of benefits like we if it is not a pandemic, like we have to go physically their center, and we benefit we get
Explore,
benefited
yeah.
to explore their library and their physical instruments. So
That's great. So, what's the final advice you would like to give who are willing to apply and work at any research projects or work at any ISRO or DRDO like something?
those students who are willing to do their career in the research domain, I would like that they just first explore their area of interest, like in which specific area they want to pursue their research. So after selecting that, if that definition is fits into ISRO or DRDO, then they definitely can apply to this program. And this program is like yearly 4 times they give us the opportunity to work with. So student can apply with their according to their time, and yeah.
So that was great talking to, and thank you for your valuable time. It's been a great to have you here, and thank you for joining once again.
Thank you so much.
So that's it for the video. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, give a thumbs up and share this video with others. And if you're new to our channel, make sure you subscribe to the channel, press on the notification bell icon. And if you haven't yet applied for the Hack MIT Hackathon, you can apply for the link will be given in the description below. And you can join me live on YouTube on 18th of August at 9:30 p.m. I will be talking about how you can find about different internships and various opportunities. So make sure you join the live, and thank you for joining, and we will meet in the next video. So that's all.